Logging into your existing United Texas account through Alliance Online Banking for the first time is quick and easy. The login process will be the same whether you're using a desktop or mobile device. If you're using your phone, start by visiting your App Store and downloading the most up-to-date version of the Alliance mobile app. Once you open the app, select Forgot Password. Enter your current United Texas username to locate your account. Once your account is found, a verification code will be sent to your preferred contact method, either by email or text message. Enter the verification code when prompted. Then create a new password that meets the listed security requirements. And that's it! You're now successfully logged into the Alliance mobile app. Before you get started, we recommend making sure that your contact information is up to date. Now that your login is complete, you'll have access to your accounts and convenient digital banking features, including transfers, card controls, mobile deposit, and more. Welcome to Alliance Online Banking.